Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to recover when your tail rotor breaks. You can tell your tail rotor is broken because you'll start spinning uncontrollably, and you can visually confirm that it's not spinning. You will also notice that your rudder controls won't help you at all. Under normal flight, you may notice that your rudder controls aren't very useful when you're going fast. We're going to exploit this fact to recover out of this. First thing you want to do is gain altitude to help us avoid the ground and give us room to work. Next, you want to rock back and forth and attempt to get the helicopter going that way. Just pick a target off on the horizon. There are three possible states that your helicopter will end up in. One is good, the other two are not so helpful. So this is the good state going forward. Once we're going forward, we want to gain as much speed as possible. And you notice that the rudder controls aren't even needed anymore. And now we're back to normal flight. The next possible state is when you get stuck going sideways. This is not good, but it's stable and we can recover out of it later. So if you need to leave the combat area, you can do it. It's not going to turn for us at all, so I'm kind of stuck going sideways. Your controls are also rotated, so W and S are now your banking, and A and D are now your pitch control. To recover out of this, we just have to stop and start over again. So make sure you're in an area that's safe to do that. There, recovered. So the third and final state is very unstable. What you want to do is pitch back, and the helicopter will eventually flip around the boat, or go into the sideways state. I showed you how to try the sideways state. Now that the easy part's over with, we need to get ready for the hardest part, the landing. While moving fast will allow us to get where we want to go, we eventually have to slow down and land. When we slow down, that spin is going to come back into play. First thing you want to do is find a large open area to land in. Landing in this state is very unpredictable. There are two things that can help us though. First is that holding Z will lower our torque, which means we don't spin as much. And next is we can roll into the spin at the last possible moment. Primary goal here is to set the chopper down alive, but not in perfect working condition. Majority of the time, the chopper is not going to take off after this maneuver without getting some repairs. The primary goal should be getting your troops down alive, and worry about recovery later. Try to have the wheels in the direction of your traveling. Let them roll. If you land sideways on the wheels, you'll damage the chopper a lot more. Here's a second example of another landing. Just keep pitching back just a tiny bit. On that forward speed. Now it's moving rolling. We want to wait till the wheels are matched up with the direction of travel. Set down. If you're hit as you're landing your troops off or immediately after, the safest thing you can do is immediately land again. Say we just got hit, we're taking off, and I got hit there. Just immediately land back down. And worry about taking the helicopter off when it's safer. Because they'll hit you with another missile and you'll go straight down. If you have any questions about how to do this, feel free to ask me in the comments.